You are like my son. My son is 27. My eldest son is 20. Yes, my eldest son is 27 years old.
Okay, don't tell that. Don't tell that. I'm very shy. Okay, so what is your profession?
Nothing. Hi, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay,
How about you?
I'm also good. Where are you from?
You?
Okay, nice to meet you.
You?
I am from Bangladesh.
I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what's your name?
Hmm. I'm Marlene.
Marlene. Okay, nice name. Are you busy right
So
now?
I just looking for something.
Okay, can I talk to
No,
you?
not so I'm talking to you, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So, I want to talk to you a little bit if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay, you can talk.
Okay, so,
What do you want to say?
okay, nothing. Just know each other.
Okay.
I said, why do you live in Philippines? Where do you live in Philippines? Manila?
What are you doing?
You live in Manila or other side?
Oh, where?
Yeah,
Where?
yeah,
You must ask where do you live in Philippines?
yeah.
I'm here in Luzon, Tarlac.
Where?
Tarlac, I live in Tarlac, Luzon.
Okay, okay.
Near in Manila.
Manila, okay. How old are you?
46.
26, 36,
4.
46,
4.
46.
6.
Okay, is it real or you are kidding to me?
No, that's real. I'm
Real?
46.
Are you sure you are 46?
Yes.
But I think,
Hmm.
but I think you are 26 because you looking so young.
Thank you.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 3.
Three. Okay, you have three
Hmm.
children. Your husband is with you or another girl?
No,
You with you?
with there. With there.
With their?
You have kids? You have kids?
No, no, no. I'm unmarried and I don't have any kids
Oh, why? Why you still single?
because I am just 27 now. 27.
Only 27?
Yeah.
I don't say anything.
You can you gauge my age? How old I am?
It looks like 35.
35.
Looks like 35.
35. No.
35.
No, you are wrong. I'm just
Oh,
27.